artists! Today, we're going to embark on a colorful journey to discover the magic of 10 amazing colors. Are you ready to paint our world together? Let's dive into the rainbow! First up, let's greet the cheerful red. Can you say red with me? Red is like the color of ripe strawberries and fire trucks. It's a bold and vibrant color that catches our eyes. Now, let's dance into the world of orange. Can you say orange? Orange is as bright as the sun and as sweet as oranges. It's a happy and energetic color that brings smiles. Next, let's cool down with the soothing blue. Can you say blue? Blue is like the color of the sky and the ocean. It's calm, peaceful, and full of endless possibilities. Now, let's hop into the world of green. Can you say green? Green is the color of grass and leaves. It's fresh, lively, and reminds us of nature's beauty. Let's shine bright with the golden glow of yellow. Can you say yellow? Yellow is like the warm sunshine and happy smiles. It's a cheerful color that spreads joy everywhere. Now, let's dive into the royal elegance of purple. Can you say purple? Purple is the color of regal kings and queens. It's majestic, rich, and adds a touch of royalty. Let's bring in the sunshine with the vibrant pink. Can you say pink? Pink is like the color of cotton candy and cherry blossoms. It's sweet, soft, and full of delightful surprises. Now, let's sparkle with the magical silver. Can you say silver? Silver is shiny and radiant, like the stars in the night sky. It's a color that adds a touch of enchantment. Let's embrace the warmth of brown. Can you say brown? Brown is like the color of chocolate and teddy bears. It's cozy, earthy, and makes us feel right at home. And here comes the magical black. Can you say black? Black is bold and mysterious, like the midnight sky. It's a color that adds a touch of drama to our colorful world. And there you have it, my little artists. We painted our world with red, orange, blue, green, yellow, purple, pink, silver, brown, and black. Each color is a brushstroke of joy in our masterpiece.